beast.
Awesome.
Look at that, fam. Miren, amigos. Joe.
There's some fish to the left, right. Few marks. Rob, you want to talk to the camera? What are we doing right now?
Say again? You mean look where we are?
What are we doing right now?
Oh, talk to the camera? We're searching for fish. Using these electronics. We're going along the edge where the drop-off is.
There you go. 40 feet deep. You need help now?
It's pretty good for now. Oh, sorry.
You need the net?
I'm good for now.
Okay.
Well, we have a net. We have the grippers. We have the grippers or the net.
He just find out.
Yeah.
We're down in the bottom underneath, honey. You know that.
The what? Ok, mi gente, tenemos uno bueno. Joe tiene muy buen pez, quizás cerca de los 40. Probably, yes. That's a nice fish, close to 40 probably. Wow, yeah, that's a 40 incher.
Oh, beautiful.
Do you need me to help you guys?
See if I can bring that in.
You got him?
Yeah, we got it. Not ready.
I saw something on the side, so I thought I'd take it. He's being a sneak.
Yeah.
He's being a little sneak.
What's his name? That other guy? Oh yeah, Cole. When Cole said, "You cast over there," cast it out there.
Go down there.
Nice.
Whoa! Look at
Oh,
that!
that's fantastic, Joe.
Great sakes, that is a beast.
Awesome.
Look at that, fam. Miren, amigos. Joe, that's your fish, buddy.
Thank
You
you.
ready to hold it?
Yep.
The camera's behind you.
Yeah, the
Okay.
camera's.
We can get a
So
quick
we're gonna
shot.
see a picture?
Yeah.
No, he got a camera. That'll work, right?
Yeah, that'll work.
Woo!
Thank you.
All right.
Get a quick
Good
measure.
job,
Just
Joe.
measure it, buddy.
Yeah, measure up.
Wow,
Appreciate
we're
it. Good job on the net. He's,
somewhere there.
you got him on there?
Yep.
Yep. 39 and a half.
39 and a half. Awesome. Fantastic.
Okay.
Sweet. Thank you, man.
Monster.
40 incher, baby. Okay.
There she goes.
She was ready. Woo!
Sweet.
Beautiful.
Wow, 40 incher, yo. That's
Thank
cool,
you.
buddy.
Yeah,
Good
yeah,
job.
for sure. Thank
You're
you.
such a little sneak. Yeah. Oh, I saw something.
It was that bird. That bird. There it was. That bird told us where the fish were. That one bird.
The only fish that was on the screen, and he caught it. Wow,
Well,
yo.
there was a little thing I saw on the screen, so I figured I'd give it a shot.
Mi gente, creo que era el único pescado que estábamos marcando y Joe lo atrapó. He got it. Let's go catch some more.
And give it another shot.
Tenemos uno. Bueno.
Yeah. Está lleno de pescados. Oh, look at that. Look at the cookies. Yeah, we drive a long way to bird in sight.
Wow.
Are you okay, honey?
Like, hello, we're right
I love
here.
this place.
Are you okay, honey?
Whoa! You got me.
Oh, sorry.
You okay? Everybody good?
Good job.
Yeah, I got
What
it.
has do I need to go? What do I need to do?
Yep,
Wow.
Okay, do we need to move rods? Do we have too many rods in the way here? Because I'll move them.
That's a nice fish. Probably 30 incher. Woo! Beautiful. Let me put this in the camera. I'm recording right now. Look at that, people. Ahí está mi gente. Fish still here?
Of course.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Under the boat.
Come on, Ivan. What's the problem?
I need to let out more line.
Oh, no, just, you got those snips.
Oh, yeah. There's
Yep.
good.
You got some snips? make this real easy.
Just caught it and retire.
Here, Snips. Snips right here.
You got him already. Wow.
That's the easiest way to do it. Alright, sorry about that.
I want them still in the water. Yeah.
That was.
There you go. How big was your fish?
I didn't measure. Probably like 30 minutes.
Cool. Nice.
Get out of the way.
Alright, so sorry.
That's okay. Shit happens. Nobody got hurt. That's all that matters.
Small fish, I think. I don't know. You never know. It can't be that big.
Oh, we're marking.
Yeah, it can't be that big. It's small.
Small
Good.
fish,
It's a fish.
It's a beaut.
It's a fish. It's a fish.
Fish on, raw fish on.
You hungry?
Yeah, he's a nice size. Yeah.
You hungry?
You got it on the Houdini?
Yep. Houdini.
Come on, Houdini.
How big, bro?
There you
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Okay, show that to the camera. I'm recording. There goes, people.
Yep. Keep going
Nice
back.
fish. Nice and healthy fish. Okay, we back to white.
Back to white screen, is that what you said?
See.
I don't want to hear that. Look, I was right next to you and you caught the fish.
It's okay.
You got it on a Houdini. That's good.
Oh, they're coming?
And on the bottom.
Oh, good. They're coming on the bottom.
Few fish.
Yeah, just if you just stay on the bottom and just bounce it up and down a little off the bottom,
Yeah.
and then if you
Well,
have
that's
to,
what pretty much.
yeah, that's pretty much what you have to. And then if after that, then you can just move it a little bit further up, and then sometimes that'll do it.
Tight to the bottom. More fish. Come on, fishy, fishy. Fish side. More fish.
You're
Bottom.
jigging right over them.
Uh-huh. They don't want to eat. They're not hungry. Okay, double up, people.
Oh, there's a decent one.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
healthy fish. Oh, you got a cow, Joe?
Oh, Chuck got a cow again?
Yes.
Awesome.
Can someone explain me what happened with my...
Fish on.
Oh, dang. Gotta catch fish. You want me to hook that fish for you? I can do it.
Don't bend your rod like that.
I'll do it. Just hold on.
Just hold your rod still.
I'll do it.
Yeah, no problem.
Here, like that. Just take this.
Oh, where's your... Oh, your fish over there? Oh,
I
okay.
got it.
He gave me the rock.
Nice fish, Tina.
You know his fish wasn't that big.
Look at that. That's a big one.
Oh, yeah, that's a beaut.
Wow. Yeah, that's more fish under the boat.
Yeah.
You want to
Bring that one here,
You
Christine.
want a picture of them or no?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
More
Waiting for
fish.
the 50-incher. Thank you.
You.
More fish. We have
All
more
right, I
fish.
finally caught a fish. Yay.
You got the cow, Joe. Right?
Joe got another cow?
I'm not sure. He's
I think I caught it when I was reeling it up. I swear, that's
Yes.
like the third or fourth
Yeah,
time.
that's very possible. Different.
Aquí mi gente, Joe creo que tiene una vaca. Joe tiene la vaca otra vez. Yeah, the cow. Yep.
You know, it may have been on there because I said I'm going to check my lure because I feel like I got it.
Yeah.
And then I was reeling it up, and then maybe that's when it tightened up.
Yep, very possible.
Ah, no sé si se puede ver Joe ahí. That was on the meadow, Joe?
No, I switched back because
I got you.
I couldn't get the metal of the flutter right. Because the tide is, the current's not moving quick enough. I will tell you, it was on the bottom when he hit.
Well, we have suspended fish too, on the surface. Let me get the grippers ready. That's a big fish. Tenemos uno grande, mi gente. Joe, otra vez. You want to fight this fish here, Joe?
Yeah.
That way you can be in the camera? In this corner?
Oh, he got another big one.
Uh-huh.
Good job, Joe.
Thank you.
I'm gonna help him.
I got it.
You sure? I
Yeah.
can.
Super shark here. Oh. There you go. Wow. Wow, Joe.
It's the same fish.
Right?
Look at
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Cool.
Look at that.
Damn, that thing's fat. Watch the blood. Yep, he's going to the
Oh,
bathroom.
wow.
That's all right.
Here.
Yeah, just keep it over there. Yep. Oh yeah, you can just turn around. There you go. Yeah.
Yep.
Look at that.
Oh,
Wow.
so
Beautiful. No, you're. I'm not worried about that.
Good to go. Thank you.
Wow. You didn't measure that one, Joe?
What's that?
You didn't
Oh,
check the
okay.
measure? You need the grippers back? Or you're not gonna measure it? Ah,
It's all right.
she's gone.
I didn't even think about it. You got a cup?
She's getting water.
Sweet. Thank you.
Wow. Looks like more fish coming. Segundo del día, 40 pulgadas. Yo creo que fácil tenía.
You measured them, Joe.
What's that?
You measured them.
Yeah, I forgot to.
It's all right.
This. That was 40 inches for sure.
I marked it. It's 82 on the mark if you wanted to know.
I understand. Yep.
Nice job, Joe.
Thank you, man. Thanks
Yeah,
for
good job,
gripping
Joe.
it. Thank you.
Vamos a ver si atrapamos otro.
See that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow, Christine!
Look at her rod.
Oh my God!
Yeah, we're marking.
Oh, it's down.
Keep it going. I gotta pay attention to her now.
Wow, Christine.
Oh my.
She watched it eat.
Keep
That is-
it tight, Tina.
Don't get anybody.
She-
Remember, keep
The
it.
freaking
Yeah.
fish followed all the way to the
Yeah.
surface.
I was
Yeah.
reeling.
Yes,
I was
yes.
reeling in. I was
Oh.
reeling in with
A
him.
lot of fish.
That's awesome.
Wow, Christine.
Oh my God! I thought, oh, we got away, and then he came back to get it.
What the?
Oh my God. Tina, look at me. The video. Oh shit! Wrong one.
That's the cow, Christine.
There you go.
What's the same? Wow, that's the
Easy, keep it tight, Tina. Keep it tight. Here, look over at me again.
craziest thing I ever seen.
So, you get them on the
Probably.
bottom or you get them on the top?
I just went to the top, man. I was just
Oh,
reeling
gosh,
it in.
I just hope that I hope this hook is set good. That's
I
the
think
only-
the
I think it is.
the drag is too loose. I think you're not.
It's slightly, I wouldn't
Yeah,
touch it.
let me
I
see.
wouldn't
I think
touch
you're
it. I reset it, guys. I wouldn't touch it.
Oh, okay. Because she's not getting line.
Yeah, I understand.
Right,
Yeah.
but it's you know, it's if it's a big one, it's got to run a little bit.
I can't. Let me get.
Don't tie the drag too much.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch it, Fig.
She's not listening to you.
No, because she's not getting anything
she-
at
yeah,
all.
she's-
Yeah, it's a big fish. You
All
gotta
right,
let
now,
it run.
now
Yeah.
she might try. No, she's still not.
I mean, those fish, it'll just sit.
There you go, right there. A little tighter.
Okay, try to reel now.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you
Yeah,
got it.
yeah.
You're okay.
Wow.
Yeah, you're good now.
Yeah. It was.
Yeah, you're good now.
It was too loose.
You're good right now.
Wow. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is gigantic. I might net it.
Amigos,
It
lo
sure
que
looks
pasó.
like this. It might be gigantic.
Amigos, lo que pasó, ella estaba sacando su señuelo del agua y el pescado lo siguió hasta la superficie.
Yeah,
Y el pescado lo agarró en la superficie, el señuelo.
I think I'm getting the net ready because I don't want to take any chances.
Yep.
So that way.
Stay here, Christine, that way you can be in the camera. Yep. Wow. That's insane. That is
Don't go too far down with your rod.
amazing.
Yeah, keep it up. He'll come to you. Just keep it up like that. He'll come to you.
Wow.
Oh, she's shaking. Keep it straight up. Keep it up.
Got some more marks. Got some more marks.
Wow, yeah.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Okay, hold on for a minute. He's not done.
So yeah,
He's not done.
just
It's not going to be done. Just keep
take
it
your
up like
time.
this.
Take your time, Christine. Don't
Yeah,
bend
reel
there.
down, reel down. If it goes over, keep it out this way. Yeah, keep it out that way. That's it. That way.
They're suspended, Joe.
Yep. Thank you.
Yep, they're suspended.
Wow.
You're doing good. Now don't go that way. You're falling. What are you tripping on?
She gonna fight this fish in here. Rob, you have plenty of space to fight this fish here.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh, Jesus.
Keep holding.
I don't think there's such thing as slacking the
Yeah,
line.
there is.
Not right now.
That's your fancy coat, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Come on.
Ooh, easy. Okay.
Oh, there he is. Nice. There he is.
Come on.
Wow, good job, Christine.
That is a fat fish.
Rob,
The first fish.
Rob, explain me how she caught that fish. Where? On the
caught it-
surface, right?
It's right on top. Yeah, on the surface.
Oh my God,
It
yeah.
followed her all the way in.
Oh my
It was
God.
hungry.
Christine, you saw how that fish followed your lure, right? All the way to the surface.
Yeah, I was just reeling it in.
All the way.
Just
it
to
followed
check
her.
my bait, and there it was. And I thought, oh no, it got off. It got away.
All the way.
And it came back.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's 40 plus. 3 cows on the boat already.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. There he is.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
All right,
Good
Tina,
job,
you're gonna have to
Christine.
hold this fish somehow.
How are we gonna do that?
Don't
I
know.
saw that. There we
Don't
go.
know.
You got it, Joe.
I can do it right here. I got my gloves on.
Okay.
Are you okay?
See.
I got it. Let me turn around. Get your line away.
Joe tiene otro pescado por ahí.
Put your finger in his mouth. Hey, somebody taking any pictures?
Yeah, give me a second.
Can you get it? I can try.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Let me do one.
Give me a second. Here, Christine.
Ready? Okay, good.
I get a picture of her too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Ready? Hold on, one more.
Not here. Not here.
That's hilarious, Joe.
There you go. There you go. It's over the release.
All right, now what do I do now?
Let's use the gripper for
Here's
that.
another one.
Measure it first. You got it? Okay, measure it.
Okay, the tail's at the end right there.
Now the tail's
Yeah, I know.
now it's at the end.
38.
38.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
38.
Beautiful.
Way to go, Mama.
Nice fight, thank you. Kick my ass.
Look how fat she was.
Oh, starting to mark again.
Now put your hands.
Suspend this fish.